To change your bank account on Crypto.com, start by opening the app and clicking on the deposit option. Or alternatively, click on Buy or Sell to initiate the process. A pop-up menu will appear, prompting you to select Fiat. From there, a window will open where you can choose your fiat currency. You can set up a new one if needed, or select an existing one, such as the euro. This will then display a list of your current bank accounts. To change your bank account, you first need to delete the existing one. Click on the Added button, or swipe left on the bank name to reveal a remove icon. Tap on this icon, then select Remove Bank from the options, and confirm by clicking Remove in the following menu. With your old bank account removed, you can now click on Add Bank Account, and then Link Bank Account. Continue through the screens, selecting your desired bank from the list, and then enter your online banking details, including your username and password, to sign in. Once you've completed these steps, your new bank account will be linked, and your old one will be removed.